Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to describe some experience that I have gone through recently and why I prefer buying construction materials, or you can say home improvement materials, from Home Depot. So guys, the reason I buy from them is they have excellent customer protection that I have not seen with any other store. like uh, I'll describe some experience in which probably nobody else would have covered that what happened with me, but they understood me and they refunded full amount without anything. That's why I prefer going to them, even though if they sell some items slightly more expensive, if I find, still I'll prefer them because of the customer protection they offer. It's unbeatable based on my experience. Like, I have purchased items from other big stores also, I don't have to take the names, but when it comes to customer protection, I have not seen any other store protecting the way Home Depot does. So first thing starts with, like, it happened last year. I had purchased a range hood from Home Depot and 4 months passed. Okay, it created problems. So of course, I had to claim the warranty because 1 year was purchased. So I called Home Depot. So basically, store provides 3 months of warranty. After that, it's up to the manufacturer. So you go to manufacturer, like, they will then initiate the things. I mean, anything they can do. They may ask for the pictures, videos, they may send a technician, anything may happen. But when I described this to Home Depot, that this has happened to me, and um, like uh, I'm struggling because this is a very important thing for my home, they told me, bring it, we will refund it to you. I did that, and to my surprise, like, they refunded me 100% right away. That was really amazing. Amazing it is. Like, after 4 months, like, nobody else would have done. Not only that, before that, I had purchased, like, for my basement construction, I had taken one washer and dryer, but I, like, purchased something that later on found would not fit in the space, and a week had passed already. When I called them and I requested them, they agreed to take it back too. For heavy appliances, generally you get this guarantee within 3 days, and after that, sometimes they offer you exchange. Sometimes, when I say they, means I'm talking about in general. Okay, but in this case, they scheduled the pickup also, and to my surprise, instead of issuing me store credit or exchange, they provided me 100% refund. I mean, these were some amazing experience I had gone through Home Depot, and no one else would have done. Recently, I had purchased one clock gun and my asphalt driveway filler. Okay, because I had some cracks. What happened? The tube I brought for the filler was probably expired or whatever, I don't know, but it was dried. So when I was using the clock gun, instead of working properly, it went inside, it broke the tube, and the material started coming out, and it clogged the gun too. Means it made it not usable. Even if you touch it, your hands are gonna be completely black. But so this was a very tricky situation, because I thought, like, if I call a store, okay, they may say no, it's not their fault, because there is no way you can prove to them that it happened right after opening the tube. Somebody may say this to you, that you opened, you used for 1 day or 2 days, and then you left it open and it got dried. Anything they can say. But in my case, when I explained the problem to me, they said, okay, fine, you bring it. I said, like, how would I bring? Like, it may make your place dirty if I bring it at your customer service place. They said, put it in a plastic bag and bring. I brought. I spoke to the counter person again. I explained the problem. I told that I had done. To my surprise, he did not ask me any question because I had the receipt. So they just wrote those items off, and I got the full refund. This time I really said amazing. Means anyone, any store, anyone could have easily declined this. That, hey, you purchased this item. Like, I had purchased it on Friday, and Monday I had opened and I had this issue, and I went to them. Anybody could have said, hey, you might have opened this on Friday and you let it dry, and then now you are returning it. No, it's not acceptable. Anything they could have said. But to my surprise, Home Depot said nothing. Look, I'm neither an employee of Home Depot nor I have any financial interest in promoting their business, but What I like based on my experience till date is their customer protection. I won't say customer service, protection. Like for them, what I have seen, they protect their customers, and they go to certain extents that I have not seen any other organization going to. I mean, in all these cases I described, they are like just covering you for anything. So even for some tasks that I cannot do myself at my home, like recently I had got my garage door wires changed because of it was malfunction and broken. I went through Home Depot because Home Depot is sitting on top of it as my protection. That is very very much required. And if I have any construction project or anything in future, I'll prefer going through them because of their customer protection. They may not be the cheapest option, but when it comes to safest option, I think I'm gonna select them based on my experience. Okay, I cannot say that how others are providing to others, other big stores are providing to other customers, but to my experience, based on the service and protection I have got from other stores without taking their names, I think no one meets the standards of Home Depot in my case. Thanks for watching, guys.